how to change opacity of object text in Webflow. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change opacity of object text in Webflow. To do this is very simple, okay? The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here, and then move over to your site and click on Open Designer. Once you click on Open Designer, you'll be redirected to a page. Once this page loads, you'll be taken to your designer's page where you'd see your site in progress. Okay, so just wait patiently for the designer to load. Once it has loaded, you'll be taken to your designer's page where you see your progress thus far. And the next thing for you to do is to select the text whose opacity you want changed. For me, this is the text, so I'll just select it. Then once you've selected it, the settings option by the right side of the screen will come alive. As you can see, you have style settings and interactions by the right side of the screen. Ensure your cursor is on style. All right, so once it's on style, the next thing for you to do is to scroll down until you see effects. Yeah, so this is the effects page, and on the effects page you can see blending, opacity, outline. Our focus is on the opacity, so for each change opacity, just move um this this button forward. That is, if you want to increase the opacity, but then if you want to decrease the opacity, just move it backwards. Okay, so it's that simple. All right, so you can change the opacity. Then if it's an object, if it's an object that you want to work with, just select the object, like I have done here. Once you selected it as well, you also see the settings icon also be alive. Then you can also move this to increase it or to decrease it the way you want. And then if you don't want to move the line, you can just tap click on the box next to the line and then type in the opacity you want. Okay, let's say 22, then click on enter, and that's it. It will be effected immediately. So go ahead and change that opacity today. Thanks for watching.